I'm nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous with her here. Welcome back, friends. Thanks for tuning in today to Tiffany Baby TV. I'm your girl Tiffany, and today we have a special guest. We have my mama. Shout out to my mama. Yes. We are going to be reviewing a wig today. We have Lake. Lake is a new Zury bob unit. I have it in the color golden brown. Here's what that color looks like. It's a really pretty honey brown. Here's what the cap construction looks like. It does have lace parting. It's a deep lace part. 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back with adjustable straps. This unit has really good parting space, but I am going to go in and pluck that. And it also has ear-to-ear lace. I've done some minor customizations to this unit. I've added some dark rooting to it, as you can see, and I've also plucked this part. We're going to go ahead and install this using this Magic Bond Ultra Hold Extreme Premium Glue. We're going to see how this works. We're going to test this out. We're going to try to tack this wig down for a whole week for her. Come on, guys, it's time. Watch me work. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is cleaning off the perimeter of her hairline with some rubbing alcohol. All right, we're next going to be applying a thin layer of this glue. We're going to let that dry and turn clear before applying our second layer. Now that this is mostly dry, it is a little bit white over here on the sides, but it's mostly dry. I'm going to apply my second layer. All right, so now that this glue is the majority of the way dry, we're going to go ahead and start laying our wig down. All right, so we're going to tie this down, let this finish drying completely. We'll come back and we'll clean up the excess glue around her edges. We'll put a little bit of heat on it to flatten the top, and we'll be back with the final look.
How long was supposed to go?
It was last week. 5 to 7 days, depending on how carefully you shower.
Feel like what? How
I
what?
said 5 to 7 days, depending on how carefully she showers.
2 days.
Okay. I need to do it. 364.
Yes, go ahead and give him a 360, Mama.
Isn't she lovely?
All right, guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this mother-daughter slay. Shout out to my mama. I love this color on her. I love how this wig looks. Lake is official. She is a bomb unit. As you can see, these curls are effortless. This body is amazing. It definitely fits comfortably, right?
Yes.
I would say that this cap is big head friendly. She's got kind of a smaller head, so I did adjust the straps. If you guys have any questions about this unit, make sure that you leave them down below in the description box. Beauty Nation, once again, thank you for sending this unit over. Mwah! We appreciate you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this slay. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Send it to your mama. Let her know that this is an official slay for her as well. Thanks for watching, you guys. I appreciate your time as always. Have a wonderful rest of your day, loves. Bye, loves.